Hi, I'm Nilakshi Das. Today I go to give some basic tips and advice to people during this pandemic period from my some general study and general knowledge. Okay, though I am not a doctor. Uh, During this pandemic period, we must be cautious about our body immunity. Okay, so how can we attain our immunity power? Yes, during you see during this our this COVID period now vaccination has been vaccination program has been launched. Okay, why? Only because to create our body immunity. Vaccine is not a medicine. It is it inside that our body to increase our body immunity to fight against any disease. And in this time during the coronavirus disease. Okay, that means coronavirus. So how we can in my this discussion, I go to give some advice how we ourselves attain our body immunity. Okay, so we can attain our body immunity naturally. That means naturally how can we can attain our body immunity. So you see our brain, there are two types of health in our we 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 have. That is the physical health and other is the mental health. We are not cautious about the our mental health, but mental health is also very much necessary. Mental health does not only define as that bad mental health or that he is the one mad person. No, mental health means that how we can rejuvenate our brain cell. Because brain is the master control program of our whole body. Because brain is the main platform of our health. Because brain is consists of three: nervous system, central nervous system, then peripheral nervous system and autonomic nervous system. These three nervous systems are responsible for all type of functions of our brain. So we must be cautious about our mental health. Okay, so first of all, the central nervous system is just like the governing body of our brain, whole body. Okay, and this central nervous system consists of brain and the spinal cord. Then peripheral nervous system. Peripheral nervous system is consists of the spinal cord, which spread in the form of some branch to hold the outer portion of our outer portion of the central nervous system. That means which goes to the all parts of our body. That is called peripheral nervous system. Suppose we get a light which go inside through eye to the brain, and we get the sensation. Uh, Central nervous system is responsible for our memory, our sensation, then our thinkings, and our also uh, different things, which are, suppose we touch a thing, then sensation is goes to our brain. That is also responsible for our central nervous system. No, actually, central nervous system is responsible for all the nervous system, other nervous system also. Okay, so then peripheral nervous system consists of the spinal cord. Spinal cord is also part of central nervous system. And spinal cord, which branches out to all parts of our body and body limbs. Okay, body parts of our body. Outside the central nervous system, the peripheral nervous system. And the autonomic nervous system is that which is the part of nervous system, that means which controls the respiratory system, digestive system, excretory system, then blood circulation system, which happens without the concern of us inside our body. Okay, they are very important. Without this, we do not which happens without our concern. So that means you see how our brain is so much responsible for all our this activity of our health. So we must be cautious about our mental health. Okay, so how we be cautious? That means to by sleeping well. Sound sleep is the main thing for our mental health. Mental health only does not say that the mad person, that is not mental health. Suppose you do not get sleep well, you do not sleep well, then your some anxiety, then also some stress, strain happens. Okay, and if all this happens, then you cannot do work properly, and also inside also all the body functions do not work properly. Okay, so sleeping, and there are also some optimum time periods from minimum 6 hours to maximum 8 hours. Sleeping is very much required for one good mental health, and mental health and physical health, because has interrelated. Okay, so do sleep very well, sound sleep, and if you get sound sleep, then you can next day you can do all the things well. And there is a optimum time period of sleeping, that is 8 hours, maximum 8 hours you must sleep. And some workers at night, there are many workers at night, whose duty is at night, then they must also manage their working, their sleeping time also. That means they may there are some jobs where they do work from 2 o'clock at night, then they also must sleep suppose 8 hours before 2 o'clock. And before sleeping at night, you must take your dinner, because after before you must take, because digestion happens during the sleeping. Okay, so it is very necessary. And if you sleep well, then your digestion is also well, and if your digestion is well, then all those other functioning also very well. because the blood circulation system. Your blood in the blood circulation system, our all the our blood carry the blood our blood to all our parts of our body, the energy, whatever energy we get after digestive system, we get the energy. Suppose if you do not take food, can you get the energy? No. In the form of food, in the form of drink, water, you get the energy. So how you get the energy? That means these energies are carried to different parts of our body by blood cells. So blood circulation system happens without the concern of the body. So this blood circulation system is also inside the autonomic nervous system. That means all is the responsible is the nervous system. Okay, so that means a sound sleep without any stress strain. If the stress strain happens, also blood sugar, diabetes, these are things happens. So you how you can get release from this stress strain. Okay, number one is the sound sleep, and if you cannot get the sound sleep, from before sleep you read some good books, and use some time also you listen some good music, then also what happens, the sleeping automatically happens. And also you do not think much about your own career. Yes, career also necessary, but you do your duty. But if you cannot achieve one thing, don't think much. You do your own responsibility and your own work, and leave it to God Almighty. Okay, that is one of the way to get rid of our stress and strain. Because if we welcome our stress, then what happens? Our sugar level increases, our blood pressure level increases, and if our sugar level increases, then what happens? Then kidney problem happens. And if your high pressure, high blood pressure, high BP also increases, then also kidney problem may take place. Also hypertension happens. So all this responsible. And also one thing, our food, what type of food we take, because food, our eating food, that means that is also one type of medicine. So good things you eat so that you can digest well. And suppose, and I also want to suggest one thing, because of blood pressure thing, then always try to take normal amounts of salt in your food. And also do not try to take the raw salt, because it increases the blood pressure level much more. And if the blood pressure is not well, is high, if you have a high BP, then it directly attacks the kidney. Also kidney failure happens. And all these things, if you in your body, blood sugar, blood pressure, kidney problem, then what happens? Coronavirus directly harm your and degrade your body condition to more and more. So coronavirus directly does not make die a patient if your body condition is well. So I suggest all people that you try to make your body condition well. And next, I also want to suggest that you try to uh, meditate your brain. I only try today's this discussion. I go to mainly give importance about the brain, because brain is the main master control program of all the activity of our body. So meditation, there are different types of definition. Some people for what they happens, they do sleep in the one corner, they sit, they close their eyes. That is not only called meditation. Meditation means what? To meditate, to give importance, to concentrate upon a good subject matter, what you like, which give your brain pleasure, good thing for a pretty long continuous period. That is called meditation. Suppose you read some good books for a 2 or 3 hours continuously, without diverting your brain to other subject matter. That is also one type of meditation. Also, you suppose you listen good music continuously, some good music, not bad music, good music. That is also one type of meditation. Also, suppose that what your brain cell, from what your brain cell get entertainment or rejuvenate, and thereby releasing extra stress, strain, etc., etc. Okay. And also, suppose meditate God. We all love God, no? We all believe God. We also give peace by meditating God. You meditate God, thereby your brain automatically release the stress strain. It is the scientific experiment. So that is called meditation. So whatever thing, good thing, gives pleasure to your brain, thereby releasing extra stress strain, that is called meditation. And try to involve in the habit of meditation, because stress strain, if you try to release, escape, then you must be free of tension and pressure. And don't take much competition in any subject matter. Do good thing yourself, try, and leave it to God for the result. Don't expect the more and more in case of result. That is the whole thing, something. And also drink plenty of water. But but I suggest to during this pandemic period to drink not cold water, hot water, to 6 or 7 glass a day or 8 glass, but not excess also water also make failure the kidney also. All things, one limitations there must be. So that is also one topic, is tips. And also avoid the in case of pandemic period, avoid the air conditioned room, AC room, cold AC room, because the coronavirus survive in the cold place. And also eat healthy food, protein diets, and in the masoor dal, like boiled egg, fully boiled egg, and then also fish. This protein, you get protein. Also take sun bath, though in the summer season you cannot take the sun bath. In the morning period, in 7 to 8 a.m., you can get some sun bath, suppose 15 minutes from the front portion and 15 minutes the back portion to get the vitamin D directly, okay. And also multivitamin tablets also you can get, also take for and then protein, vitamin C you can take in the form of in the directly you can take in the lemon water, but you do not take the lemon water at night, which can also can cause some gastric problem. So all these things, and don't be much panic. So if you have some cold and cough and cold, you don't think that this is coronavirus. All these things are not coronavirus, okay. So if you are panic, then your tension, your blood pressure, that all these things become high. Try to take your measure all the types of measure. If suppose if some cough and cold in your if you suffer, and if your temperature rises, directly do not go to hospital. If you go to hospital, then there are many. Yes, you must go to hospital if the condition is returned, but at, at try your best to live inside the house. Separate, isolate yourself. If you have some fever, but if your fever go on increasing, and if you then consult doctor, take medicine, and thereby all these things. Some homely tips, by some homely tips also, try to get yourself concerned, get rid of, you can get rid of disease. So all this today I some advice I have tried to give to people. There may be some wrong if from my own life journey. I have also faced some all this, whatever I have today I mention from my practical life journey, okay, and also some study in case of my family member, my parents, all these things, whatever I today I express from my some experience, from my practical experience, whatever I have faced in my life journey, today I have expressed. So okay. Also one thing, you try to since it is a coronavirus time, you try to take smell of some things, like suppose a coffee, you try to drink coffee. If you feel normal in the smelling of coffee, or the suppose the taste of coffee normal, then you are not the coronavirus patient, okay. Because the temperature may happen in all in your, because it is a changing, weather is changed, and if you have also coronavirus, you do not die, okay. If you isolate yourself in your house, don't be panic, take measure, take all the healthy measure, take healthy diet, okay, yes, and take consult doctor through phone as far as possible. Doctor advise you whatever advice they prefer, they give to you, you follow all these things, and directly you do not go to hospital, because in the hospital all the situation, because there are many patients, and in the hospital the all, because there are some contaminations directly attack, that means the environment. Doctors, they are also in hospital, but they take much cautions from to escape from this virus, but we general people do not take all these cautions, so try to avoid hospital as far as possible. If you are, if you have also you try you some have some temperature also, if you are all tough and cold, okay, you gargle with some, and you take the steam, steam inhale steam with suppose menthol or some other, it's just like things, okay, 2 3 to 4 times, and gargle with hot water, okay, these things, and do not live in AC room, and open your ventilations properly, just so that the oxygen come inside the room, and if you have some mild temperature, and you take you switch on your ceiling fan, because not so in the some in the mild condition, in the mildly you switch on the ceiling fan, because it circulates the oxygen inside the room, because oxygen is very necessary in this disease. So all these things, okay, so I hope you, from my this all this some advice, you may be you may be benefited that I hope, be safe, and try to take all of you take vaccine, and don't do very you by in the vaccination center also, don't make crowd, avoid crowd, okay, stay safe, care yourself, we must struggle, and I hope you enjoy my all these suggestions, and also you follow, okay, have a good day.